Charlie the Hacienda Ribbit here. Good to see you back. We're going to make something delicious today, but then again, we're always making something delicious. Winter weather is with us. It's already been icy and frosty, and so this is a time for head cheese. Yep, Mama Vicky's head cheese. I've made it before, made a video. Mom was Polish, so we always had this in the holiday time. I loved it, she loved it, my dad not so much. So anyway, every year I make it. What I'm doing this year is I'm putting my little tweak on it, because I not only do I love the stuff, but I've met some ingredients that I think will jazz it up and complement the flavor of head cheese deliciously. Some of you guys might know it as sauce, meatloaf, whatever, but it's a gelatinized meat loaf. Okay, what we got here is we got 3 beautiful Iowa thick cut pork chops. That's going to give the basis for the meat. We have here the bone from a deboned pork butt, and the butcher leaves a little bit of meat on there, and they're used for soup bones, doggy treats, whatever, but that's good. That's going to add some flavor. And what we got here are pig trotters. I have 3 pig's feet. Now the feet are cut in half with a bandsaw, and they're frozen, and they're sold in packs of 3. So I'm going to thaw them out before we start cooking the recipe, and they'll thaw out in no time. Now we've got green onion, garlic, parsley, bay leaves, and chili pepper flakes. And today's special ingredient that is going to give it my signature twist is Tango Joe's Tango Verde green chili powder spice mix. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. It is the very first spice I tried from Tango Spice Company. Fell in love with it. I love all their other spices, but I always go back to Tango Verde because I believe it's the tastiest. And in this case, it's going to complement the head cheese in a marvelous way. They really can't be beat. I like them frozen, but you understand. I throw them in and wave them, and I'm a brand new man. Oh yeah! They're going to my head. TV dinners, my skin is turning red. 20-year-old turkey in a 30-year-old gin. I can't wait in tomorrow and thaw one out again. Oh yeah! Here we are, the next day, out of the fridge. Beautiful. Look at that meaty goodness. All lean protein. Good stuff there. Now let's go ahead and slice them up and eat it in the traditional way, shall we? Join me then. And there you have it. Deliciousness on a plate. Let me tell you, this stuff is fantastic. That Tango Verde is just the key for a good head cheese loaf. Match made in heaven. Wish Mom was still around so she can taste my version of her deliciousness. And Tango Joe, I wish I could send some to you, buddy. This stuff is all on fire. Not hot, it's on fire, and it's that good. Man. Well, thanks for joining me, people. Y'all take care.